Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. The majority of the volume showed up in the afternoon. Moral of the story, a lot of people are going to be watching this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, one, make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward, and that would be if the price can stay up above 550. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 550, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down there at that previous breakout point at 485. So 550, 485, two of the near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the much broader time horizon, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 550 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Initial level is just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at 615, but let's go to the daily time frame here. So yeah, as you can see here, price has not been up this high for a very long time. So next key area of resistance, and I'll just use one of these former areas that I've done from a previous video, but next key level of resistance right up there at that gap close location, right up around 785. So all in all though, monster movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.